Hello there everyone, this is Lilith and welcome back to another one of my videos for All Too New. Today I'll be showing how I created this really fun, colorful, watercolor inspired layout using some fabulous stamps. So sit back and enjoy. I love the look of watercolor floral bouquets, but I'm not very good at painting them myself. So I thought it would be fun to try and recreate a bouquet, but using a stamp set. I'll be using the Floral Extravaganza stamp set, but any larger stamp set from All Too New will work. One which has different layers and that has a nice smooth base layer. So here I'm using one of those stamps and I'm adding some colors to it. I am using watercolor colors. These are the watercolor brush markers from All Too New. I'm using various colors. I've got some crimson, ruby red, some mango smoothie, some turquoise, and also some green colors. But you can use any colors you like. As you can see, I'm applying the watercolor to my stamp and then just adding a little spritz of water. And then I'm going to dab that stamp onto my watercolor paper. Leave it on there for a little while so that the watercolor can seep into the paper. I'm just going to do various stamps using that one size, and then I can go into the other size or the other floral shape and do the same. So add color and spritz and then apply to your paper. What is really fun is that you can use several colors at once, so you can combine yellows and reds or greens and blues or purples and pinks and create lovely colorful flowers. So I'm going to keep doing this until I've created my bouquet, and I will also add a couple of leaves. The Floral Extravaganza stamp set is perfect because it has a variety of shapes of flowers and also of leaves, and it's perfect to create this kind of a look. You can also recreate this look on a card in a smaller scale, but maybe use some of the smaller stamps or look for a smaller stamp set. Once your paper is really nice and dry, and do leave it to dry for a little while, you can start adding some fun little details. I'm just going to use a fine tip black pen. I'm using one from All Too New just to doodle around my leaves and my floral images. I am just following the lines, the outlines of the stamped images. If you are hesitant on how to draw in your details, have a look at the stamp set and the stamps themselves and just see how those petals fall and how the leaves fall. This will give you a good idea on how to draw in those fun little details. I'm going to keep on working my way around my little bouquet and adding in those doodled lines. Once I'm finished, I can start working on the layout itself. I'm keeping it very simple because I really want to focus on all those lovely colors and all those lovely florals. I'm just going to add my photo, stamp the title using the Modern Alphabet stamp set from All Too New, and add some hand journaling as well. So very simple. How do you use your stamps in a different way? I'm always looking for different ways of using my stamps so that I can get the most out of them. If you've got any tips for me, please pop them in the comment section. To find out more about all the products used, you can always visit the All Too New Mixed Media blog. And if you've got any questions, just pop them in below. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a lot of fun crafting. Stay safe, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!